Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great week. Here with Lincoln today. What's
up, guys?
We're out here catching some fish. So we actually came out to one of these ponds yesterday. Caught a couple, so I'll show those on the screen. But today we're doing a 1v1. He's 13, I'm 19, so I got the experience advantage here. But we'll see who wins, and you guys stay tuned.
Not a big pond, it only wraps around a little more.
Yeah, I looked at it on Google Maps.
But like, it's big enough.
It's big enough to hold a 10-pounder, I'd say so.
Oh, it's plenty big enough. Dude, you're...
Oh, it did. All right, here we go. Whee! Oh, shoot, tricks. Well, I just caught like a 2.5, 3-pounder. The camera was not turning on. I think the battery must not have been all the way seated or something, but we did take a picture of it, so there is proof. I'll have that up on the screen, but we're gonna keep fishing. That's 2 so far for me and 0 for Lincoln, so.
Hey, he had to rub it in because yesterday I clapped him.
I think we tied yesterday, but I don't know. What the heck? About the same size?
I think he's smaller.
Oh, he is smaller. I think he choked it too. Oh no, right in the bottom. Yes, sir. That's what we do.
Man, you're clapping me in this one.
Weightless, my guy. They want it weightless. Dude, this is another really
super pretty
fish. Check that out. Chunky.
Hey, the only reason he puts it in front of the GoPros, in reality, it's a small fish. He has to do that. Make himself
a fish. Oh, here we go. Off he goes. Dude, I got one. Oh! Came off.
Was he right there on the stick?
In the water?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah, right there. Don't move it. Let it sit. Alright guys, new pond. I just caught one. I don't know why I can't freaking turn the camera on. I should just leave it running the whole time. He's so fat, dude. I got him right in the cheek meat. There's my guy. Go ahead and get him back in here. Bye. Off he goes. Oh, I got one. Got him. Got him.
Gar?
What?
Looked like a freaking gar when it came out.
Nah, that's a bass.
Real skinny?
Skinny. Actually, not that
bad. It looked like a gar.
Hey, he actually is real skinny. Face full of grass.
Not my one yesterday. Not like my one yesterday.
No, that one was way too skinnier.
Dude, you were clapping.
Dude, look. Look. I hooked him through the bottom of the mouth into the top of the mouth. Check that out, guys. What the heck?
You were clapping me today. It's like 5-0.
5-0 right now, man. You gotta step it up. You're about to slay though. There's no way you won't. Look at this beautiful fish. Let's get him back in the water. Whee! And just did a full. Just sitting still. Wasn't even moving the bait. Letting it sink. Honestly, a Senko would probably do it right now.
I hate you.
There's number 6 right there.
You're really making me mad right now.
Dude, these hooks are so good.
I have 0. That's a nice hook right there.
So pretty. Cute little guy. All right, let's get you back into water. Let's go. Still not any bigger. Small guy, barely hooked. Man, I barely hooked you. Look at this guy. Lincoln's on. Is it a big one? Yes, sir.
Struggle must have come to an end. All right, let's get a picture of this guy.
Here, I'll take one of you.
My 1 fish.
1 pounder. Why does it look so big? That looked like a 4 pounder in the picture.
No, it didn't. That was a lot of hard work into catching this guy. Oh, missed the photo button like 3 times. We got it. Thanks for the bite, buddy. I appreciate it.
He got it. You got him.
That's not him.
That's a smaller one for sure, dude.
Oh no, that's decent actually.
That's actually really decent.
Skinny.
Skinny. I don't think that beats the other one.
No. I don't think that was that one though. The other one was big.
Pretty fish. Barely hooked, dude.
Now they're going up, dude. Pretty fish.
Yes, sir.
Nice fish. We're getting on them.
Yes, sir.
I don't think that was him.
All right, guys, we went ahead and switched up to this little paddle tail swim bait. They're going crazy right now, so we're just gonna throw something moving, see if we can connect with a few more. Double, baby! We're doubled. Mine came off. AK both came off. Let's go. Let's go.
They're schooled up right here on
They're
the back.
They must be schooled up.
Let's go. Mine's bigger.
Yours is bigger.
Hold on. We gotta get a double up picture.
A
again.
dink double picture.
Day 2 of doubling up in a row. That's pretty cool. All right, bet.
All right, get them back. We
Hey,
gotta.
fish bump, fish bump.
Boom.
All right, bet.
Whoop.
Mine's swimming.
All right, guys, pulled up to a new pond. There's some people fishing over there, but no biggie. All right, guys.
If this don't work, I'm going straight to the other side.
Go.
Other pond and going straight to that pipe thing where you stand on.
Yeah.
And you dropping right there. I'll catch one. I wonder if we catch another popper. If you start catching one, just totally tie it on a popper.
I-
Not a popper with me.
I honestly think it's.
No freaking.
Oh my God, he missed it, dude.
All right.
Okay, top water.
Tying on a popper.
Top water.
It's honestly pretty funny.
Dude, that was two. That.
Oh yeah, if you get one on. Look, that. Oh,
Bro, it was the second twitch. Dude, he just knocked it out of the water. No! Are you kidding me? Yes. Dude, he literally knocked it straight out.
Glad I just bought a popper.
Got him! Finally! Yes, sir. On the popper. It's all right. Woo! Chunky guy. Good little fish.
Oh, that is a decent.
There you go, buddy. Have a good life.
Oh yeah, what a cat.
Did you just... Got him.
Big?
Bigger. The Pop Daddy is slaying.
Oh, they're going off right here.
You!
Not sure about this. Going off right here.
Cha-ching. See you later. Oh, dude, that's money. Let it marinate in there.
Yeah, I know. It's a little guy.
Oh, just had another one miss it.
I'm freaking down in the corner before you. So I might actually catch one on top water tonight.
My heart's like,
Oh, yeah. There we go.
got him! Oh, he came off!
He was
That was the best one we've had at the pond.
No. Bruh.
I'm sorry for your loss.
That was the best one of the day, too.
Oh, would that have won the challenge?
Get away from my spot. Stop walking behind me.
Alrighty, well, I hope you guys really enjoyed that video. I sure did. I think I caught actually 10 bass, and Lincoln caught 3, I believe. So I took the dub on that challenge. But I really enjoyed that, so I hope you guys did too. If you did, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next episode.